Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, for some reason, I was able to go onto the Tesla website with my phone, but I can't do it with my computer. So here it actually shows you that the new Model Y right here. So deliveries began in March. So I guess we can order now, and here we don't have to wait or speculate about any other so see how the vehicle looks. So here it tells us the range is 320 miles. So this is, I just go to tesla.com, guys. I'm not going into the Australian website or to the Chinese website. This is just tesla.com, right? And it gives you 154 miles in 15 minutes charge. Awesome. And also full self driving capable. Nice. And here it gives you the picture of it, right? Really nice. Back tail lights. And it says here, redesigned from end to end, from the front bumper to the tail light. The exterior is completely redesigned to unlock maximum efficiency so you can get the most range out of every charge. With updated suspension, wheels, and tires, your ride will be smoother and quieter. And here it gives you like the wheels, more efficient, distinctive lighting, right? So let's go back. And here it gives you more, right? Here we actually see the inside of it, right? So pretty much it's sort of like the new refreshed Model 3. So all new interior, refined materials integrate with advanced features to create reimagined cabin environment that changes your perception of what riding in a car should feel like. Immersive soundscape. So really nice. So this looks like it's a lot of upgrades right here. Comfort for many seats, front and rear, touch screens. Okay, so we are getting the rear entertainment screen, 8-inch size, even more connected. Calls come in clear, data downloads faster. Wow, doors and trunks unlock when you approach. Enhanced connectivity and signal range keep you and your vehicle in sync. Bluetooth capabilities keep passengers entertained. Right, so this is the front. That's a nice color there. Oh, so now you can push it to unfold, I guess. I wonder if it has like automatic front as well too. Right, so expansive storage, power recline, second row seats fold flat to expand your trunk space to a total of 76 cubic feet of storage. A hand-free trunk. Nice. Automatically unlocks as you approach so you can easily store all your gear. This is one of the things that I hate, when I'm carrying stuff, I gotta, go grab the unlock button, but this one is just open for itself. Features that only gets better. Play your favorite movies, game. Talk about this nice app there. I think we can go back some of this here, right? The comfort mode. This is 15.4, and they also have a little this rear screen. Nice. So it's like a Model X style. Right? Autonomous. They talked about this full self-driving. This is very important. Front-facing camera. So if you watch my latest video where I did the hand shows, I actually installed the front camera, and I think it's really good. And I think Tesla is actually listening to the customers and what they want, right? So, and this actually makes it better, the safety wise and everything. Enhanced visibility for autopilot and actually smart summon capability. So awesome, right? Blind spot monitoring. So, and the video right after that, I actually did install a blind spot monitoring system, which is awesome too. So this is all included in there. This goes like safety engineering. No more gas stations, which is nice. Charge at home. So if you guys have so right now Tesla, even if you don't have a solar system at home, you don't have to worry about it. You can charge at the supercharger. Tesla expanding like a lot. So in my area, I live in Baldwin Park, borderline with West Covina, and in West Covina I can charge over there, or they have one in El Monte. So it's pretty, like, I would say maybe within less than 10 minutes, depending on, but you don't have to worry about that one. You can charge anywhere. And 15 minutes and you get up to 154 miles, which is awesome, right? So it says here you get 60,000 supercharger along your route. So updates, Get updates. Be the first to receive update on the new Tesla Model Y. Here, there you go, and hit submit. Like long range. Here, give you more of the spec of it as well too. So long range, 320. I was thinking that they mentioned something about like 500 miles range. I don't know if they're gonna have a different version that go up to 500, but 320. So that's almost the same as what we are at. And accelerations is 4.1 second, 0 to 60. This is the dual motor all-wheel drive, and they give you more dimensions here. All right, charging, warranty. So we already know warranty, 4 years, 50,000 miles, and the batteries and the drive unit, the motors, which is 8 years or 120,000. All right, and then order your cars here. So, yeah, I don't know, because I'm actually on the Tesla website right here on the computer, and it actually shows me like the old website. So I don't know, maybe there's another website, or when I'm on my phone I can see it. Yeah, but you guys get to see the first glimpse, the actual the website itself. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to use my referral code for the discount. All right, other than that, be safe. Till next time.